Let me ask you something important. Have you ever wondered why your body feels weaker, even when you're eating well? You might walk, stat, and try to eat healthy, but something just feels off, like your muscles just aren't what they used to be. If you're 60, this might not be your fault. Today I'm going to show you an important answer wake for one, where grills who may already have. That can help your body fight back against sound muscle, also known as sarcopenia. Stay with me because by the end I'll guide you step by step on to make this mix, when to take it, an important one most people walk. One that could make or break your health. One known as Sarcopenia Peter thine Sarcopenia, Doctor. I wo, Soro estofina can luin strainia. We hunt a breakfast, white bread, coffee, John juice. No protein, no useful nutrients, nothing that supports muscle repair. You see, muscle loss doesn't just happen because of aging or lack of movement. It happens silently when your body wakes up and gets nothing. That's why I recommend this powerful morning blend. Let's start the first ingredient. Hemp seeds, snow humble nothing misunderstood, and one of nature's best sources of plant-based protein. They contain all 9 essential amino acids, which your body needs to build and repair muscle tissue, something that becomes critical after the age of 60. What makes them even more special? They're rich omega-3 omega-6 fatty acids in just the right ratio your body can absorb, which helps in inflammation, especially in joints and tight muscles. Be something most people don't know. You have to soak them overnight. Why? Sucking a tea turns eyes suffy their shill and makes the nutrients far more digestible. Just 1 tablespoon in the morning, soaked overnight, gives you over 10 grams of high-quality muscle-building protein. And when you combine it with this next ingredient, you give your muscles the oxygen boost they've been craving. Beets are more than just colorful, they're powerful. When you eat raw beet, peeled and chopped into small pieces, you're feeling your body with natural nitrates that help produce nitric oxide, a compound that widens your blood vessels and improves blood flow. In plain English, your muscles get more oxygen, and that means more strength, better endurance, and faster recovery. In fact, one study in the Journal of Gerontology showed that older adults who drank beet juice daily improved their leg strength and overall stamina in just a few days. Beets are also rich in beta-alanes, natural antioxidants that protect muscle cells from damage, and they're high in fiber, helping your digestion work better and improving how your body absorbs other nutrients. How much do you need? Just a quarter of a beet, raw, diced, and do I mix? It's gentle on blood sugar once bake your energy. In fact, it pairs beautifully with the next ingredient. One keeps your skin level thicker and your energy steady throughout the morning. Now let's move on to the third ingredient in our muscle-saving breakfast blend. It might surprise you, but this little seed, when used the right way, acts like a natural energy shield for your muscles, your gut, and your blood sugar. So chia seeds. Chia seeds may turn unforgettable, but once you soak them overnight, they turn into a powerhouse of support for your body. Here's how they work. When soaked, chia seeds form a natural gel. That gel seals down how your body absorbs glucose, which means no sure spikes, no crutches, just steady energy to keep you going through your morning. Even betting? Chia seeds are nearly 20% plant-based protein, the love of calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and omega-3 fatty acids, which are critical for healthy muscles and bones. A study at the University of San Luis in Argentina found who don't through most of your day so cure remotely higher energy, better digestion, less inflammation, and feeling fun wonder without needing to snack constantly. All you need is 1 tablespoon soaked in water the night before. To stir into breakfast mix. It's gentling the system, but time-backed. And nearby with our next ingredient. You crave the blend that not only nourishes your muscles, both out or self-detoxify extract. Organic, chopped and listed. Now you're thinking, garlic for breakfast. It may sound unusual, but trust me, just a small clove of raw garlic when chopped and allowed to rest for about 10 minutes becomes one of the most powerful ingredients you can add to your morning. Here's why. When garlic is chopped and left to sit, it produces a compound called allicin. And that's where the magic happens. Allicin's a natural antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and vasodilator, meaning it helps open your blood vessels, improve circulation, and support the repair of damaged muscle cells. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that raw garlic helped protect the mitochondria, those little power plants inside your muscle cell, generate energy. For adults, this can mean better circulation, less stiffness in your arteries, and improve vessel recovery. Even more, garlic supports the production of glutathione, your body's master antioxidant, a key player in cellular detox and repair. To use it correctly, just take one small clove, finely chopped it, and let it rest for about 10 minutes before blending it into your mix. The strong taste mellows once it's combined with the other ingredients, but the benefits remain powerful. And now, let's move on to one more ingredient, one most people never think of for breakfast, but it can strengthen both muscles and bones at the same time. Now, let's move on to the fifth ingredient in our morning mix, and trust me, this one is often overlooked, but it plays a vital role in keeping your muscles strong: cooked hard wheat bran. Wheat bran may not sound exciting, but it's truly one of the most underrated sources of muscle nutrition. This is the outer layer of the wheat grain, and it's packed with fiber, B-complex vitamins, iron, phosphorus, and most importantly, magnesium. Magnesium is essential for proper muscle contraction, protein synthesis, and post-exercise recovery. Unfortunately, a study published in the Spanish Journal of Human Nutrition and Dietetics found that 60% of adults over 60 don't get enough magnesium, and that deficiency can lead to muscle fatigue, cramps, and declining strength. Here's the good news. Just cooking wheat bran for 5 minutes makes it easier to digest and remove something called anti-nutrients, compounds that block your body from absorbing good stuff. Buying 2 tablespoons of cooked wheat bran to book the blend, you're going to be 5 the hood and adustion, news to muscle function, and a comforting hearty texture that keeps you satisfied longer. When combined the ingredients we've already talked about, hemp seeds, beetroot, chia, and garlic, this creates a protective, nourishing base that keeps your muscles from breaking down as the day goes on. But of course, any good recipe needs a touch of natural sweetness, and that's exactly what the next ingredient brings: red apple zest. The humble red apple, fresh, crisp, and naturally sweet, isn't just a tasty addition to this blend, it plays a major role in supporting metabolic and muscle health. Here's why. Red apples are rich in quercetin, a powerful natural antioxidant. Quercetin helps protect muscle cells from oxidative stress and improves how well your muscles respond to effort. In fact, a study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that quercetin helps older adults improve exercise enjoyment. Enjoying two key issues when it comes to aging muscles. That's much more. Apples also contain pectin, a ethyl fiber, supports gut health, stabilizes blood sugar, and even helps improve how your body absorbs minerals like calcium and iron, both essential for strong bones and healthy red blood cells. Just healthy red blood chopped into small pieces adds flavor, texture, and the perfect balance of natural fruit sugars and plant fiber, giving you steady energy with no sugar crush. And now we've reached the seventh and final ingredient. This is the one that ties everything together and unlocks the full potential of this morning mix. First of all, congratulations on making it this far in view. It means you truly care about your health, and I want you to know that I put you at the curve. Now that you know the 7 powers of greens, it's time to bring them together and show you exactly how to prepare and use this blend. Mind imagining something for a moment. What if starting tomorrow, your breakfast alone can help you gain strength, and in just 7 days, you began feeling a noticeable difference? This isn't hype. It's simply about giving your body the exact building blocks it needs. At the right time of day, when your cells are most ready to absorb and rebuild, let you walk you through it step by step. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon hemp seeds, pre-soaked overnight, clean alter. Corn for rolled beet, peeled and chopped into small pieces. 1 tablespoon chia seeds, also soaked overnight. 1 small clove of garlic, chopped and left to sit for 10 minutes. 2 tablespoons of cooked hard wheat bran, boil for 5 minutes and drained half of a red apple, diced into small cubes. Juice from half a lemon, 1 cup of filterwater. How to prepare. Place all the ingredients into a blender. When thoroughly till it gets smooth but thick consistency, cut it like a hearty sheet. Don't strain. The fiber is one of the most important parts of this recipe. It helps with digestion, blood sugar balance, and nutrient absorption. Don't get soaring, ideally on an empty stomach in the morning. You can use a complete breakfast or at least take it 30 minutes before eating out. How long should do they? The 7 days to start. 1 week. That's enough time to begin seeing how your body responds. You might feel more froth them on, less muscle stiffness or fatigue at the end of the day, improved mobility and comfort when walking or standing. And if you tend to have a sensitive stomach, here's a helpful tip. You can divide the mixture into 2 servings, drink half first thing in the morning, and the other half around mid-morning. That way it's easy on digestion but still gives you the full benefit. Now if you're wondering, what if I can't find all the ingredients? Don't worry, let me guide you through some safe doctor-approved substitutions. The goal here is not perfection, but consistency and nourishment. So here are some practical alternatives you can use. No hemp seeds. You can use sesame seeds or sunflower seeds as long as you soak them overnight, just like the original. How to rate raw beet. Dry raw carrot is a temporary substitute. It still supports circulation and adds fiber. No wheat bran available? You can use cooked oatmeal instead. They won't have quite the same magnesium boost, but it'll still be beneficial. Garlic too strong for your stomach? Begin with half a clove, finely chop, and work your way up. You'll still receive many of its healing properties. The important thing is to adapt the recipe to your real-life needs. Losing the heart of it. Complete plant-based protein, antioxidants, fiber and essential minerals. Bioactive compounds the potential muscles from the more you wake up. Does this replace your regular breakfast? Yes. This blend is designed to serve as your full breakfast and the first sunbathe. It is why coffee, emphasize pie and yuppie. What I mean, you're yours. Your against foolish. There's a who is if I want to rest or wall tea. But try to avoid reaching for bread, cookies, or anything processed right afterward. Let your system absorb all the goodness without destruction. Is it safe for people with diabetes or high blood pressure? Yes. This blend does not contain added sugars or salt. In fact, it's rich in fiber, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels, and several ingredients naturally support healthy circulation. Still, as always, if you're taking medication or have specific conditions, I recommend checking in with your doctor before starting any new routine. How long should you for the? Start with just starting guineas. Don't change anything else. Just replace your breakfast with this blend. Then pay attention to how your body feels. Are you waking up with more strength? Do you feel less stiff? Are your movements easier throughout the day? Try this week. Now goes. This will allow you to thin and protect your muscles naturally through breakfast. Hit the like button and share what's on you of. You bond. And tell me, are you going to father's meets? Or you're using some of the ingredients? I'd love to hear your experience. You want to keep lying out to care for your body after 60? Hit subscribe and tap the bell icon so you don't die feel. Your healthier wealth, banketh watching, healthier like or you free to come while the hear your square your. Lotte your deeper and stay exploring well and energized to every age. Take care.